Hello! In today's video, I want to give you some guidance of how to do a performance grade for musical theater ABRSM. Keep in mind that there is two options for exams that ABRSM gives, and in today's video, I'm going to give you more information about the remote performance grades. These are digital exams assessed from a video recording. You perform a program of 4 songs, focusing on performance, communication, interpretation, and the good thing about it, which makes it more convenient compared with the live exam, is that you can record it at any time. You don't have a deadline, you don't have to book in advance. Once you're ready with your recording, you can submit your video, and in about week to 2 weeks time, you will receive the results. Usually, ABRSM says 28 days, but most of the time they are quicker than this. Another benefit of doing the performance grade is that you can use a backing track. So you don't have to pay for a pianist for a live accompaniment, but you can use any backing track that you feel comfortable with, and you can spend long time practicing with this backing track, which not gonna cost you extra money for a accompanist. Not having a deadline also takes away the stress from preparing for the exam and can help you to enjoy more the whole process and to get the feel of preparing for exam. You can also explore more songs as you don't really have a deadline, and you can get better understanding and improve further your skills by not just learning 4 songs for the exam, but get to know more of them and choose the best one for your voice. When it comes to choosing the right repertoire, make sure that the songs you choose are in your vocal range, that they can show the strength of your voice. For example, if you have a very beautiful head voice, choose songs which are going to present that side of your voice. If you are very good in belting, choose songs which have a lot of belting in them. Make sure that you can also relate to the story, as this is performance grade, so they really are going to look at how you can convey the emotion of the song. You have to choose 4 songs for ABRSM exam performance grade. You don't have oral and side singing, so if you're not good in them, this is a really good choice for you. You only need to sing those 4 songs. How to choose them? You have to choose 1 song from each of the lists regarding the grade you have chosen. For example, you choose grade 5 singing for musical theater. Then you have to choose 1 song from list A, 1 song from list B, and 1 song from list C. The 4th song is your own choice piece. It can be any song you choose. It doesn't have to be from the syllabus. But personally, I always recommend choosing songs from the syllabus. There are plenty of options, and you can be sure that choosing from the syllabus is going to meet the criteria of ABRSM. I'm going to add an example program for ABRSM Singing for Musical Theater Grade 5, so you can use it if you like it, or at least you can get the idea of how the program must be structured. Remember that before you start singing, you have to do the announcement. You have to say your name, that you're taking singing for musical theater exam grade, whatever grade you decide to take. Afterwards, you have to announce the songs you're going to sing in the order you're going to sing them. I'm going to add an example in the description below of 4 songs. It has to have the name of the song, the number in the syllabus where the song is, for example, A18, if it's the song number 18 in list A, and also the name of the composer. For the own choice piece, you have to show the original book. You can see in ABRSM syllabus, they give examples of books that you can use. So I recommend buying those books so you don't have a problem with copyright issues. And for example, if you choose the song My New Philosophy as your own choice piece song, you have to show the cover of the book clearly to the camera for a few seconds, as well as the first page of the song where they can see the key, and afterwards you show your ID to the camera and you start the program. The recording must be continuous and you must be presented at the camera at all times. If you need to take a sip of water or need a few seconds of break, that's all right, but you still have to remain in the camera. Make sure that your program does not exceed the time limit. ABRSM has particular requirements for each grade, so you have to make sure that you're not exceeding that time. These limitations you can see in the booklet that I'm also going to put in the description below from ABRSM. They say how many minutes you have to sing for each particular grade. And once more, ABRSM performance grades can be very helpful for you as they have a very well structured program and they can help you to progress in your singing and give you particular goal to work toward, which I always think is helpful in your development. If you have any further questions, you can message me under this video and I'll try to be helpful. If you're interested in taking private lessons with me, you can message me via LinkedIn, Messenger, or via my email, which is in the description below. I do have experience in preparing many students for ABRSM exams, and I'm glad to say that they all have passed and I have 100% success rate in those exams. I will guide you and help you to choose the best repertoire for you and make sure that you can pass the exam and have the satisfaction and sense of achievement.